I bought the cheapest F80 M3 in all of North America. And we're either going to be flipping it or keeping it and building it. So let me know in the comments what we should do. This car needs a lot of work, and throughout the video we're going to go through everything it needs, the story behind it, how we actually got it, and how much we actually paid for this F80 M3. So we're going to take this car from not running to fully running and hopefully drivable. Stay tuned to find out. Okay guys, we're at a hotel in Montreal right now, and look who's on the phone. Attila, what's happening right now?
Alright, so we located a 2015 BMW M3. This is the cheapest F80 M3 that's ever going to be sold on the Canadian market. We're going to try to get some information out of the guy, send him a deposit, then we're going to take a trailer and pick it up because it doesn't actually go over 60 kilometers an hour.
It doesn't go over 60 kilometers an hour, so this could be either a mistake or a sick freaking car. So we're gonna go half and half on it. Okay guys, so this is an impulsive decision. We actually saw this on auction and we won the bid actually at 17K, and now this guy's going to private sale it. He just listed it for 30K. Said he's down for 24. We're gonna try and get it for 22. Oh, he's hiding to the call. Hold on. Yes sir, how's it going?
All good. Alright man, so I think we are probably gonna grab it. BMW, like they told you this the battery, like
yeah, they said I did like a full maintenance. I spent like $8 grand on that at the dealerships in October.
Bro, would you do 22 if we send you a deposit right now?
We'll come pick it up Monday.
We'll come grab a trailer, pick it up from you, we'll bring a bill of sale. Let's get it all done. I'll send you a deposit right now.
I don't want to do anything less than 24. Like I have somebody just one come tonight.
I know, but bro, people on Facebook talk all the time, bro. I'll send you a deposit right now.
Can you do 23?
Bro, I think we already did all the math and everything. I think 22 makes the most sense for us.
Guys, we might buy an M3. It's pretty sick. It's definitely a nice project. Has a ton of claims though, but it's still clean title.
Okay, I'll take a look. I'll give you a call back. Sure.
Dude, we'll see. This M3, I don't know what the goal would be with it, but something sick. Oh, there's a tow. What do you think? How did that go?
I think he's down for 222, 100%.
I mean, it sounded like you would have folded to that.
100%, 22K. And he has the fenders.
He has one fender.
One fender. We'll get one fender, bro. 22K. He's had the car for 2 years. He has an $8,000 invoice from October that he did all the fucking gaskets and shit. Plus spark plugs, coil packs, injectors.
Okay, yeah, I'm down to buy the F80 M3. All right, boys. Checking out the M3. I haven't seen it in person yet, so it's right over here. Unfortunately, it's nighttime, but that's just how it is. You know, we got back from a nice long trip. It's time to see this M3.
How's Montreal? Holy shit. What's up, chat?
Dude, that's sick.
All
right, let's open it. Dude, look at this thing, eh? Wow. Wow, okay, so this fender's cooked. Look at the panel gap.
It's a carbon roof, guys.
Yeah, it's literally a full carbon roof. Oh, pop the hood. Let's see.
Feel how light the hood is.
Oh, yeah, wow, that's light. Yay, let's see this interior.
Look at the steering wheel.
Damn. Oh, dude, this is tough. It doesn't start?
No, we gotta boost it.
Oh, wow. So this battery's cooked. So right now, guys, it is in limp mode fully. Every light's on the dash. So limp mode means basically the engine's restrained to a certain amount of power. BMW quoted it as the battery, so we'll have to see. Really, why?
Look at the invoice.
$7,000 invoice?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
Valve cover, everything is fucking changed.
He's done everything?
Everything. And he only drove it 100 kilometers. Why? Because another issue came on. The car's been at BMW for the last 8 months.
Actually?
Yes.
So now we have the issue.
We have the issue at hand.
All right, boys, this is my first time seeing the M3 in daylight, bro. It looks so much better than before. In nighttime, you can't really tell the difference, but in daytime, it looks beautiful. And just like that, we have an F80 M3 to go with my GTR. This car is super clean on the outside. It's got a nice carbon hood. The interior is a color called Silverstone. It has a carbon roof, and this spec is very nice in my opinion. But we do have a lot to figure out with this car. Right now, guys, all the lights are on the dash, and it's in limp mode, and the battery is fully dead. Not even the lights on the inside turn on. The battery is literally cooked. So we're gonna have to figure out what issue that is. We're gonna start by getting a new battery, clearing all the codes, getting it started up. It runs fine. We had it running yesterday. So the goal for today is to get this hopefully out of limp mode in the best reality, obviously, and see what else it needs. We're gonna go through all the recent service records it has and the story behind this car as well, and how we got such a good price for this thing. Because realistically, this could be the cheapest F80 M3 in all of North America. Okay guys, so me and Attila bought this car as a project to do together. We're not sure if we're A, gonna flip the car and make money, B, if we're gonna keep it and fully build it together, or 2, one of us just buy it and then keep the car. But right now, it's our project. And Attila knows the whole story behind this car. So what's happening with it?
I first saw the car on the auction that was live, being sold by BMW. They're selling the car with no ownership, no keys. They don't know the mileage. The car has no power. So they're saying that the car is fully fucked. So me, you know, we take risks here. So I bid on it, I got the top bid. We won the bid, but we didn't win the car.
We won it at 17K or some shit.
$17,600. We didn't get the car because I don't think the guy who was selling the car, I don't know if BMW was selling it without letting him know, because the car was sitting there since October of 2024. So what I think is what happened is he lost a love for this car. So he's like, listen, I just want to get some money out of it. I don't care what happens to the car. I don't want too much money. I'm not fixing anything. Take it, get him out of the headache. So what happened was he drove down 3 hours to the BMW dealership. He put the ownership and the keys in the car, and he trusted us. Like, we didn't even pay him, and he shipped the car to us with a tow truck. We're not gonna tell you how much we paid yet.
We'll tell you guys very soon, but take a guess in the comments. I'm really excited, man. Literally last video we were saying we want to flip a BMW, but like I did not expect it to be a potential M car. Not necessarily we'll even flip it. We may end up just keeping it. We don't know. We don't know. But next we're gonna go back, and then I think we got to get a battery for it, install the battery. Let's hopefully get this thing going today. All right, we're at the hardware store. We're getting a battery for this M3. All right, y'all, here we are getting a battery. Let's see the price on these. $350, $225. It's gonna break the bank, y'all. All right, so that's one we're getting right there. That's massive. Let's hope it works. All right, we're down $425 for a BMW battery. Here it starts, guys. So now we're gonna install this battery install, and we're gonna hope this fixes the car. All right, guys, we're about to install the battery, but we got a ton of things that came with this car, so let's go through it real quick. We got stock airbox, and whatever the hell this is.
It's also part of the airbox.
Also part of the airbox. Ton of different trim pieces. We got, looks like a front bottom part of the grill potentially. One half of the kidney grill. Carbon mirror caps. These for the back of the doors, carbon pieces. We got 2 OEM front shocks.
Awesome.
We got an M3 side marker thing. So yeah, wow, they left us a ton of shit. All right, battery uninstall. It's pretty easy, just a couple bolts, y'all. Anchor off. Oh, she's off. Ugh.
No.
All right, you want to put it in? You can put it in, I'm good. All right, battery install going in there. Dude, we're hoping that we clear the codes and it runs good, because apparently low voltage can cause this. BMW quoted a bad battery on this car. So if this fixes the limp mode, that'd be great. And then after this, are we gonna clear the codes first before starting it up?
Yes.
This thing hasn't been driven in like 9 months. So if it starts off limp mode, we're taking it right for oil change, spark plugs done. The battery was freaking expensive, so hopefully this fixes it. Give her a scan.
Diagnose.
Time to diagnose it.
All right, let's see all our lights, guys. Let's
See the lights on the dash. Oh my God. It's got everything. It's literally got everything. All right, that scanner wasn't working, so we got the basic one here.
25 codes. Yeah, voltage related. All electrical codes.
Okay.
Transmission. High pressure fuel pump.
Uh-oh.
Low pressure fuel pump.
Misfire.
Misfiring.
All right, we're gonna start them up.
All right.
Here we go, first startup. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Fires up and then shuts itself down. That might be an issue. That might be an issue. Oh. Misfiring bad.
So the car has been sitting for like 9 months, and I know on the old E46 M3s, there is an issue, like there's a lot of cars. If the car's sitting with the same gas for months, the gas will become contaminated and it'll be bad gas.
Ooh.
So we can try to get some new fuel.
You know what it could be causing that? It could be the tune. We should just flash it back to stock.
Oh, that's actually very smart.
We could do that real quick. Instantly die. So we're gonna try flashing it back to stock, getting new gas, see if that does anything at all. If not, this could be a lemon. I'm just kidding.
You just need a coding, bro. Don't you have to code the new battery in? The DME still thinks it's the old battery. It will charge incorrectly. Okay, it says we have to code it in. Why it matters? If you just put a new battery in and it didn't register, the charging system might be running the wrong parameters. F80s are very sensitive. Even momentary drop can trigger the install it.
So we got to code in the battery. All right, so Till's friend's coming to code the new battery in. But in the meantime, hold on. Wait, I got a gift. A surprise. Tire shine. I can't stand looking at this shit. We have to do the tire shine. Come on, I can't stand looking at these dirty tires, bro. Even if we can't move it, at least it looks nice, you know? Come on, you guys know I had to put tire shine on the car. Needs a full detail as well. If all goes smooth today, we'll code the battery in, have it running correctly, get the oil, spark plugs done maybe, drive it down the road, detail it up. This thing will be good as new.
Is that all gonna happen today?
My money's on no.
Coming to save the day. Look who it is coming to save the day today.
Let's see.
All right, he's gonna do his magic. All right, flashing it to stock and coating battery. Okay, so right now we're trying to flash it back to stock, and it's not going, I guess, because we have to coat in the battery first. Because apparently with these bullshit cars, you have to let the car know what kind of battery's in it before actually like doing some shit. So it honestly blows my mind the difference between this and just like a Nissan. You know, you can't just plug and play a battery. Like, of course you can't, right? Oh, successful. Oh my god. So is it good? So now if it starts, we'll see if it runs. Uh-oh.
That's a heavy misfire. It's
That's
backfiring.
a bad misfire.
Bro, it's backfiring at 1,000 RPMs.
So we're gonna coat in the battery now. It's flashed to stock now, right?
Yeah, should be flashed now.
Okay.
Should be. And then we have to coat the battery, and we'll see if that fixes it. And it also has a misfire, so that could be coils, spark plugs. We'll see, we'll see. Battery coating. Is that hard to do? See how the start sounds now. I think the battery's coated in. Your foot's off?
What's off?
It's idling. Oh my god, it's idling. Still has a bunch of lights on the dash, but no engine lights, so let's go. All right guys, it's idling healthy now. We coated the battery in, flashed it back to stock. God, dude, wow, that's loud. What do you think? What do you think?
It's not bad. It's not bad. But it needs a lot of work. You see, everything is abnormal.
Wow. Yeah, there's a couple, eh? Clear them codes and start her up. And now we sell it. All the codes are cleared, we sell it. Had a very good start that time. Sounds like it's running very nice right now. We're gonna get some spark plugs coils today. Get that job done, I think. Okay, boys, we're now gonna go grab some spark plugs coils for the M3, and hopefully it'll be running right. It's already running a little bit better. Slight misfire, you can hear a slight misfire, so that could fix that issue. Hopefully there's nothing too crazy. It might need a fuel pump as well or some shit, I don't know. We'll see, because it's still in limp mode, so. All right, we're getting a nice little Jerry tank of gas. 93, spark plugs, coils, the man himself got them. How much was it?
457.
457. We're already $900 deep into this shit today.
Huh?
That's insane. But it's already running better. We have to get out of limp mode, so I think we're gonna have someone come later on today and bench reset it or something, and then that could get out of limp mode and it could drive good. We're gonna do the sparks and coils to get it running right. That is the goal, guys. And let me know in the comments, do you guys think we should keep this car and build it on the channel, or should we flip it? We could flip this right now and probably make some really good money. And as I said before, I'll be letting you guys know how much we paid for this 2015 M3 at the end of this video. All right, pump that gas in there. We threw some brand new gas in the car, and now it was time to do the spark plugs and coils.
You have to take this cover off, and there's gonna be one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here.
Okay, well, let's get it. Boom, we're taking off the carbon frickin' brace. Oh, any ladies find this attractive, let me know.
Jump.
Carbon brace. Done. All right, bet. Now let's get the spark plugs and shit. Now to get to these spark plugs, you have to take off a ton of other bullshit. You have to take off this, the carbon brace we had to take off, and we got to take off these, and then we'll be able to take off this cover, and then we'll be able to finally get to the spark plugs. One thing I learned from just working on this car is to get to one thing, you have to take apart a ton of other things. And to be fair, that is common with a lot of other cars, and that's why jobs never get done quickly.
We should be able to get to all 6. So see, these are the coils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, it's your fault if anything happens. We're pulling the spark plugs now. We got the special tool and shit. Uh-oh. 1 of 6. 6 more to go.
How burnt that is, bro. Look at that black.
Okay, we're gonna do the rest of the spark plugs. The last car I touched was my GTR, and I fucked up the clock spring, so I haven't been driving that for a week now, so let's hope this goes well.
Keep going.
Oh my god, I popped this cherry. Did you guys hear that? Okay, so this is garbage, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Last time we were doing this, it was on a Civic, and we did it right, so now we're doing it on an M3. All right, let's check this thing out. Oh, it's black.
Burnt to a crisp.
Burnt. That's crazy. This is crazy. Okay, now let's put the new one on. All right, we just did the coils and spark plugs. We're hoping the 3rd cylinder misfire goes away. We're gonna start it up and find out.
No misfires.
No misfire?
Doesn't sound like it. Or right up there.
It sounds like it's good. Sounds like it's good. Runs fine. We just have to get it moving now. That's the only problem right now. It's still in limp mode. Not moving. What kind of codes are there?
Possession sensor, voltage should Electrical issues though.
All right, so a little recap on what we did today so far. We bought a new battery, replaced the old one. We coated in the new battery, took it from stage 2 back to stock in terms of the tune. And then it was still misfiring, so we got spark plugs and coils for it, installed them. And now we have the car running right. But once we put it into drive, it is still in limp mode, so we have to fix that issue. I asked ChatGPT what could be going on and telling me electrical issues. Now, I don't think it's a good idea to diagnose a car with ChatGPT, so we're gonna reach out to some people, figure it out, and hopefully get this thing driving. I know earlier in the day I said we'd have it out of limp mode today and be driving it, but we might have to wait until next video. We've got some good progress done on it so far. Let me know what we should actually do to this thing. I don't know. Should we wrap it? Should we get a ton of different parts for it? It already has a carbon hood, carbon fenders that don't fit. Fitment's pretty bad. It's M4 fenders apparently. Definitely the updated headlights is a must if we're keeping this. But other than that, I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. If we should keep it or if we should flip it quick. All right guys, now we're going to talk about how much we actually paid for this 2015 F80 M3. What did we pay for it?
$22,000 delivered to our shop.
Insane, bro. These are market, like what are these market?
With this mileage, 130,000 kilometers, around $40,000 to $45,000.
So we paid 22K Canadian, or in other words for you Americans, 16K USD. Subscribe if you're new. We got an F80 M3 for the project to go with the GTRs, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.